To have a great art school like this put on such a professionally organized and extremely well thought conference, I'm just very pleased.
This evening with Tom Joyce was my favorite. I've got a blacksmithing background, so hearing from someone in the profession was pretty amazing.
The intellectual energy around the field is greater than it has been in decades. I think you just get a sense of where the action is intellectually and creatively, so you have to come to events like this.
We think this is fabulous. Favorite session was Judith's talk.
I think in our world today, we're losing touch both with materials and with real objects and with processes. Craft has a way of going back to that by learning the actual process, by knowing the characteristics of a material. You're in touch with something real, and that always stays with you.
Just seeing how professionals have created their own careers is really just eye-opening.
To have so many artists really talk sincerely about their motivations, I was super inspired actually.
The field is wide open. With innovation and technology, we're going to see some interesting boundaries pushed. I think there's a lot of potential.
Really validates the quality of education that kids get here at CIA. You should be proud when these people go out there and do these kinds of things.